Dear students, most of you have this doubt. How did Rutherford came to know that the electrons are revolved around the nucleus in a circular path? That's nothing but orbits. Because there was no experimental proof for it. There was no experimental proof. But still, he could say that the electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a circular path known as orbits. Now, on what basis? So, he very well knew that an atom has positively charged nucleus and the entire mass is concentrated on a small region. So, that is considered to be a sphere. So, the nucleus should be a sphere. If the nucleus is sphere, around the sphere, the electron should move around. So, around a sphere, what is a geometrical structure which will give you most stable arrangement? It is nothing but the circular path. Only circular path can satisfy the condition. So that's why he had an idea that the electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a circular path. Circular path. Okay. And this electrons and nucleus are held by electrostatic force of attraction. So that is nothing but the centripetal force. Again, how it is circular path? Again, he compared Rutherford Atomic Model with the solar system. Even in case of planets, we have sun at the center, and all other planets will be revolved around the sun in the circular path or the elliptical path. Okay, so based on that, he got this idea. Thank you.